In front of me is Tecno Pova Neo tool, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, launch it, select Consent, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then use this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of those settings however you want to. Then click at the top right one and the bottom right one. Finally, select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it. So when I go back, as you can see, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!